students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today I am going to teach you one of the topics of exponents and powers. First of all, 3 power 6 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here this is 3 power 6. Here the 3 power 6 is called power and 6 is called exponent. 6 is called exponent and 3 is called base. 3 is called base. Okay. In 3 power 6, 6 is called exponent and 3 is called base. Okay. So 3 is repeatedly multiplied by 3 itself in 6 times. And any times is repeat ayindi? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here 3 is the base. So 3 is the base and repeatedly it's multiplied. It is multiplied by itself. Okay. Multiplied by itself. Next 3 power m is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into and so on into 3 m times. Why we write here m times? Here the exponent is m. The exponent is m. That's why we don't know the value of m. We don't know the value of m. So we write 3 into 3 into 3 and so on 3. Suppose in place of p, in place of m, we have p. You write p here. In place of m, if you have n, you write n here. Okay. Estimated diameter of sun is 140 crores meter. 140 crores meter, that is equal to, now we are going to write this number into scientific form. How can we write that number into scientific form? Before going to write that number, we count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 into 10 power 8 meters. If you expand 10 power 8, you get 8 zeros, 1 after. 1 తర్వాత ఎన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తాయంటే 8 జీరోస్ వస్తాయి. సో 14 ఇంటూ దట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుందంటే 140 crores వస్తుంది. ఓకే. 14 ఇంటూ 10 crores ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 140 crores అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ సైంటిఫిక్ ఫార్మ్. సో నౌ 114 ఇంటూ 10 పవర్ 8, 14 into 10 power 8 into both numerator and denominator is divided. Numerator and denominator is multiplied with 10 and divided with 10. So here here we have same basis, that is 10, 10, 10. According to this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here the bases are equal. Here the bases are equal. So you get 14 into 10 power. Here 10 means 10 power 1. So the bases are equal. So directly if we add exponents, you get 10 power 9 by 10. Okay, 10 power 9 by 10. But what happened to this 10 if it is in denominator? If it is in denominator, the decimal point moves from right side to left side. Suppose 14 means 14 is equal to 14.0 means 14.0. 14 is equal to 14.0. Both are equal. So here we have 10. So if you write by 10, here it is by 10. This decimal point moves from this place to this place. So we get to 1.4 into 10 power 9 meters. 1.4 into 10 power 9 meters. This is the standard form of this number. This is the standard form of this number. Okay, 14 into 10 power 9 by 10 is equal to 10 power 9, 14 by 10, that is equal to 14 by 10 is equal to 1.4. If you have two zeros here, suppose 14 by 10 14 by 10 కాకుండా 14 by 100 ఉంటే you write you get two places. The decimal point moves two places from right side to left side, so you get 0.14. You get 0.14, but we have only one zero, that's why I write 1.4 into 10 power 9 meters. This is meter, that's why I wrote meter. Okay, this is the standard form. Now coming to the do this, simplify the following. Here we have 3 power 7 into 3 cube. Here bases are equal. Bases are equal. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is the formula. So here bases are equal. So we can add these exponents. You get 3 power 7 plus 3, that is equal to 3 power 10. Okay, 3 power 10. 3 power 7 into 3 cube is equal to, by using this formula, since by using this formula you get this answer. Now 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 power 1 2 3 4 5, 4 power 5, that is equal to 2. 4 means 2 square, 2 into 2 power 5 means 2 square whole power 5, that is equal to 2 5s are 10. Here again we use a power m whole power n formula. A power m whole power n, power to power, so a power m into n. Here we have only one base, power to power, so we multiply these two, m into n, you get to 2 power 10. For this problem we use this formula. Okay, for this type of problems we use this formula. Here base is same. Okay, another problem, 0 power 21. 0 power 21 means 0 into 0 into 0 into 0 into 0, how many times? 21 times. 0 into anything is 0, so the answer is 0. Okay, 1 power 5, so 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, you get only 1. Okay, 1 power 5 is equal to, like this, you get to 1. Don't write 1 into 9, this is wrong. 1 power 5 is equal to 1. 1 power 1, not 1 into 5. Okay, this is wrong, this is right. Okay, next, the distance between Hyderabad and Delhi, so 1674.9 kilometers, that is equal to, now we have to convert this kilometers into meters. Kilometers is bigger, kilometer is greater than meter, that's why when we convert greater number to smaller number, in case of kilometers, when we convert kilometers into meters, we multiply with 1000. So 1674 into 9 into, here kilometer, now we are going to convert this kilometer into meters, that's why you multiply with 1000. This k become 1000, k become 1000, remaining is m. Here k means kilo, kilo means 1000 meters, but here they are asking to us to find these kilometers into centimeters, so again we convert these meters into centimeters. So 1674.9 into 1000 into this meter. Meter ki how many centimeters? Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter. Here we have point between 4 and 9. 1674.9 into 1000 into 100. Here we have point in point between 4 and 9. So when this is in if you write like this, this is in numerator and this one is in denominator. So zeros 1000 into 100 are in numerator. That's why this point moves from left side to right side. Zeros suppose 1000 కానీ 10 కానీ 10,000 కానీ డినామినేటర్లో ఉంటే ఆ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఒక పాయింట్ మూవ్ ఇట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 10 నేను క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే 16,749 into 1 2 3 4 zeros, that is equal to 16,749 into 10 power 4. But this is not scientific form. That's why I write like this. 16749 into 10 power 4. Here we put the point between 1 and 6. So how many places we moved from this place to this place? 1 from this place to 1 2 3 4. So into 10 power 10 zeros 1 into 10,000 వేయాలి అంటే 1 పక్కన 4 zeros వేయాలి by 10,000, that is equal to 16,748 into 10 power 4 into ఇక్కడ కూడా 10 power 4 by 10,000, that is equal to 16749 into, here bases are equal, so we can add these two exponents, you get 8 by 10,000. Here how many zeros we have? 4 zeros. So the decimal point moves from this place to this place, 1 2 3 4. So 1.6749 into 10 power 8 centimeters. This is the 16,749 into 10 power 4. This is in centimeters. These kilometers now converted into centimeters, you get this answer. This is in centimeters and this is in scientific form. So 1.6749 into 10 power 8 centimeters. 1.6. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ 3 zeros ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది పాయింట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1 2 3. కానీ దిస్ ఈజ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అనమాట. ఈ విధంగా రాస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటాము? స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అంటారు. అంటే ఒకవేళ ఇంకో రకంగా ఎలా చెప్పచ్చు అంటే 0.4 into 10 power 6. అంటే ఒక డెసిమల్ పాయింట్కి రైట్ సైడ్ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఓన్లీ 1 డిజిటే ఉండాలి. డెసిమల్ పాయింట్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 డెసిమల్ ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 పాయింట్ అంటే ఇది డెసిమల్ పాయింట్కి ఇది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, ఇది రైట్ సైడ్, ఇది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, ఇది రైట్ సైడ్. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 డిజిటే ఉండేటట్లు. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా డెసిమల్ పాయింట్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 డిజిటే ఉందన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సైంటిఫిక్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెంబర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సైంటిఫిక్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెంబర్. ఓకేమా? దిస్ ఈజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.